DEWALT 12-inch miter saw review. Unleash the power and precision in your woodworking projects. Hi, it's Guy Collins here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw. I'm stoked about this tool and looking forward to sharing my thoughts with you. So, on that note, let's get started. Its sleek design and recognizable multicolor scheme gives it an awesome, professional look. The stainless steel blade adds durability and resistance to wear, and overall, it's extremely solid and well-built. The tall sliding fence allows you to work with base moldings up to 5.5 inches vertically. And its bevel range of 0 to 48 degrees to the left, and 0 to 3 degrees to the right, makes any cutting task a breeze. The saw is equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor that drives the blade at an impressive 4,000 RPM. This means you can make smooth and efficient cuts through different materials. Two features I really like are the stainless steel miter detent plate and the cam miter lock system. They ensure precise adjustments and provide durability, so you can count on accurate cuts time after time. The DEWALT 12-inch miter saw includes a 12-inch carbide-tipped blade, a wrench, a dust bag, and a vertical clamp. These accessories enhance the usability of the tool and provide added convenience during your woodworking projects. The DEWALT 12-inch miter saw includes a 12-inch carbide-tipped blade, a wrench, a dust bag, and a vertical clamp. These accessories enhance the usability of the tool and provide added convenience during your woodworking projects. DEWALT is known for its high-quality tools, and this miter saw is no exception. While specific warranty details may vary, it's always a good idea to reach out to the manufacturer or check their website for more information. In summary, the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw is an impressive tool that delivers on its promises. It combines power, precision, and durability, making it an excellent addition to any workshop. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate DIYer, this miter saw will enhance your cutting capabilities and elevate the quality of your projects. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking content. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you've used the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw before. Until next time, happy woodworking!